So I'm going to do a quick review on Tomica Premium Nissan Leopard. In the past, I've done Tomica Limited Vintage Neo Tomytec Leopards, and I'll make a comparison. These are 2018 models, and these are different than the Tomica Limited Vintage Neo. These are just the premiums. So beginning of 2018, the gold Leopard, which is on the left, was released, and then on the right, the blue Leopard was released in the later end of 2018. And I found something out, is that the blue one you can only get online, and they were sold out, and they were sold in a limit of 3. So let me open this up and show you the difference. Obviously the case, Takara Tomy, it says premium, number 4, official license. And so this is also the 86 model, which is called what we call the Zenki Leopard. No mirrors. Doors open up. See the interior a little bit. And so this is the one that you can buy at stores. Then this one was, I didn't find out until November that you can only get this online. I was in Ikebukuro with my friend, and we were searching all the stores there for this one, and then what I found out was that it's only online that you can get these. And when you order online, you can only order or 3 at a time. So Japan, from what I understand, they have like limits when if it's one person, they have limits. So if I went to the store and let's say they had a bunch of these and there's a high demand, they would like have, you know, numbers and stuff like that, so people wouldn't take advantage. So it's kind of interesting, and people have that discipline there compared to America, you know, where people would buy a bunch of the stuff. Anyways, so let's pull this one out. Same thing, this is what we call the two-tone dark blue. As you know, I'm a fan of leopards. Again, this is kind of a limited deal. Like I said, even if you try to get online now, you can't. They're sold out from the Tomica online, and they cost, like I said, they were costing around $4. But now it's gone up. Take a look at the box comparison. Same view, but obviously different setup and lettering. Tomica Premium. I wonder if, you know, if that means anything significant. Alright, so we have the gold, Zenki, and dark blue. And so I'm going to compare it to one of these. This is the Tomica Limited Vintage Neo Tomytec, which is slightly a different company. I think it's with these ones right here, it's I believe it's like a partnership. This one is called Tomytec. These cost around $20, or at least they used to cost $20, and a lot of them are higher priced now. But as you can see, it comes with a front lip, compared to these don't. Also, you know, so you don't know these are like knockoffs or anything like that. if you see on this, the Tomica ones, the scale is 164, and then when you look at these two on the premiums, their scale is a 163, so they're a little bit slightly different. Obviously, I feel that the vintage Neo has better detail. You can see the mirrors as well. They look similar, smaller. Again, the detail is way better. Where this MM looks like a little color sticker, this one actually, you can feel it. And I think with the limited vintage Neo, yeah, you can't open the doors. Tomica tomytec. F31 Leopard. Also, they have rubber wheels, as this premium has plastic wheels. Pre-motion. Again, you can also add that front lip as well. But as a collector, I think it's amazing to have this type of option. As I said, with a little bit of history, the Nissan Leopard has been around since the 80s. 86 to 92, at least for the F31 Leopard. And it only wasn't until 2016 that they started making, you know, the 164, 163 scale size. And that is when, that's when the Abu Naideka final movie came out. And so this kind of coincide with that movie. And again, this car wasn't popular, and so that's the reason why you don't see them like that. But just because of that movie, it has gained popularity. And so I'm super happy because I have the North American version of the Nissan Leopard. It's the Infiniti M30. But I'm just glad that, you know, and they recognize the car enough to actually make them. So, yeah. And there's a couple more that just came out, which I will get when I go to Japan. And it's the Grand Selection XS models. Anyways, thanks for your time. Hope you found this very helpful. And again, just a quick video review.